Okay, let's talk about the car show. This car was absolutely one of my favorites. It's a mirror in a car. You can get dressed right in front of your car every time. Now, if you're going to the Auto Elec show, what do? You get into a car and you fall out. You test out everything about the car. You jump in, get in sideways, pretend like you're falling out. You just have a good time with the cars because you know what? Maybe you want to buy it. Maybe you want to see how you feel about the color. Maybe you want to feel about how it feels falling out the car. Maybe you want to feel like, is it time to go? How quick will it be for me to jump out of this car? Well, that's exactly what I was doing, having the most fun at the LA Auto Car Show. Whether you're trying to buy a car or you just want to look at the new car, this is the place to be. All you have to do is be able to get in a car and get out of a car. At least pretend like you can. This was so much fun for me. I can't believe this is my third time this year at the same auto show. Yes, it started November the 21st, and the last day was November the 30th, and I chose to be there 3 different times. And of course, I was having fun. This is my last time that I was there. This is my favorite car right here. I can't believe this car is $95,000, and it's a Dodge. Can you believe that? A Dodge. Is this a family car? Like, do you carry your mom, your sisters, your family? Or is this a man's car where you just roll out? Well, no popcorn in this car. It costs $95,000. It's all about the engine, darling. If you know anything about a car, it's all about the engine. Well, I had a wonderful time at the car show. So anyway, I thought I would just show you a little bit more footage of what it was like to be at the LO Auto Show. I can't believe this is a Dodge. I can't believe this car cost $95,000. I just can't believe it. It's blue, it's cute, but $95,000? I mean, it's a van, right? I guess so. But I know it's all about this engine. Right here is where the $95,000 is. Right here. See? Can you see it? $95,000. So you can drive how fast? 100 miles, 200 miles? You can just take off. Wow. Okay. Anyway, I just wanted you to know what it's like to go to the LA Auto Show. And of course, this is some gentleman telling me about the configurations, or if you get a green belt, you can go faster or slower. I'm still trying to get on the boat of $95,000, and there's no restroom in this car. And you're showing me the motor? Nope, I don't think I want it. $95,000? That's a bit expensive, but it is a cute car. Now, if you want to purchase this car for me, buy the car for me, or rent the car for me, please leave your comments down below, and I would definitely drive it. I probably would take the gas pedal and punch it as fast as I can go and see if it really can go fast or not. Look at all these people looking at this car, just looking at it like it's going to talk back to you. And it doesn't. It just moves. It just goes where you want to go. Oh, by the way, I was at this point where I think the blue car in the back, that's electric. No electric. And then he told me that the electric car, if you live in Michigan or other states where it gets a little colder, you're going to have a little bit of a problem. So, electric cars, I'm completely out. But anyway, I just thought I would share what it was like to go to the LA Auto Show for the third time and just to stand around a car that is what, $95,000? This is pretty much $100,000 car because once you add on some features and some whatnot, plus insurance, instead of $95,000, you're looking at a $100,000 car that does not include the car insurance. But anyway, I just thought I would share. But anyway, thank you for watching. I'll let you watch the rest of the car show. Bye.